Liliana, how do you feel about your first snow in Alaska?
Yippee.
Yippee?
I used to have a snowman, but I put it right there.
Yeah?
I broke it.
That's okay. We'll get another one tonight.
On purpose.
On purpose. How did you feel when you broke it on purpose?
Great.
Okay.
And now this is my tiny miniature one. My miniature.
Your miniature snow person? What you doing? Hold the sail?
Yeah, holding the sail.
Oh
Right
man,
there.
I want to get this stuff cleaned up before the snow, but I don't know if it's gonna
I
happen.
know, me too. I started to do it yesterday. I got some, but yep, let's do this.
We'll go set it on around the other corner.
Yep, that sounds perfect. Okay. So Richard and I are putting up this house wrap.
How windy is it, Amy?
It's like at least 35 mile
stop
mile per
right
hour
here?
gusts.
That's okay.
Yeah. And this is like a sail. This is better on this side. I feel like it's better on this side. The other side. The other side had its moments.
Moments.
But this side's better. And I'm hoping we got it on video. The camera did show it at some point, but I'm hoping that we captured it. So yeah, it's really windy, and you may be asking yourselves, why are they doing it on this windy day? Well, because this is our new normal. It's windy all the time, and the snow, we already had our first snow today, and it's going to keep snowing, so we have no choice. We still have to finish the game plan on the other side with the wood, but we couldn't finish that yesterday because of the wind. So
And you may have noticed that I am not a professional house wrap installer.
he is doing fantastic, though. He is absolutely doing fantastic, given the current situation of the wind.
It feels like I should alternate the pattern so that the wind doesn't tear it off, but I guess once...
11's on, it doesn't matter.
You gonna think we're gonna be able to do that before spring?
Oh yeah, we're doing that. We're doing that next week.
I think we should have a fire going in this house before we do that.
Oh yeah. We're moving to this week. I said next week.
Feels like it.
We can look back at the party pictures and determine how long.
Okay.
Because people come over for parties and they'd be like, when are you going to get that wall up?
I think there was a betting pool.
There probably was.
Next corner.
Okay. Well, it gives us this weekend because, we might just do it on Saturday. Sorry.
Can you adjust the camera to be show down that side over there, or the corner?
Yeah.
Please.
Ooh, that corner's
What? Oh, you don't have to put it there yet.
yeah, this side's way better than that one. And okay.
All right.
Here we go. This is gonna get better. Yep. I assume that's okay. Great. It's easier too with less of a roll, I feel.
Oh yeah, it's getting much lighter.
And the windows, now that the windows are getting, closed, that it's not as scaly. You want around the corner?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
On the outside.
Did you see a little on this tile piece?
No.
They're like falling apart. I'll probably look on our.
Because you listed like 5 things you do in the snow with them. You said they're not very good for this.
Well,
Like, what are
I
they?
guess most people don't walk though 11 feet in snow or snowshoe. They're kid shoes, so they're probably designed for kid activities.
Kids aren't gonna walk 11 miles in the snow.
Or go snowshoeing. I don't know. Shoes are so hard to find for you.
For me?
For me.
We're supposed to tape that seam.
Yeah, once we put the other layer over the top, right?
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I remember doing that with the other one. Yeah, that's all E-tape is just where it catches the other one.
It used to be where you only had to do the horizontal seams, but now building code is vertical seams also. Any seam.
Yeah.
And that's probably just like Tyvek reaching out, or DuPont saying,
Yeah.
hey, we really, we have evidence showing that
This is best.
this is best. Our proprietary studies that we can't share with you because of secrets show that you should totally use twice as much of our product as you are. I think that applies to pretty much everything.
Yep, I think so too.
Did you want to do the last one? Okay, so we got our wood stove for the cabin. It's a little tiny, like 1,000 square foot one. It'll be, just perfect for this.
Wish I could find the rosemary.
Yeah, we'll probably do. Maybe just hamburger. That's too hard to cook in there.
Smoke detector out. Okay, gotcha. So we're at the point where we're insulating. Yay! And we did R38 for everything. So I'm following the manufacturer's recommendations of cutting 1 inch beyond and then stuffing it in. And I think having that vapor barrier up will help tremendously. So yeah, I'm just stuffing it in and hoping to get, here we go. You can see here and then down at the windows, stuffed in there, kind of going as needed.
So I have to remove the backer board here that I put in. I have a learning opportunity, as Amy likes to put them. And so we're going to take this off so we can actually insulate it. I didn't put the insulation back there first. Oh boy.
Yeah, it's going to take me
I understand.
Yeah.
Okay. I was scared we were going to need like 2x8 walls after we bought this.
No, it fits in here. It's just, we're going to have to definitely put the vapor barrier up. Oh, what's this?
Hey, I just got that.
I know. I know. I almost got
See, I
you.
need the really big numbers now.
I know, me too. Okay. So, probably there, honey?
Sure.
Glides right, it probably locks, it probably doesn't bend when you try to stick it out.
Yeah, I'm excited to use it. Thank you for breaking it in for me.
Oh, did you not use it yet?
No.
Oh, no! It works. This is good, but down there. Oh.